Hi everyone, welcome to my new vlog. And so today's vlog is about car driving. I'm just going to share what I know about car driving and how I have learned. The first tip would be practice it regularly, practice it daily. So don't skip even a single day when you are starting to drive in the beginning days, at least for a week or so. At least for the first 10 days. Try to practice daily, and I'll just record the video so you will know the kind of road I have practiced. I'm starting my car now. So the first thing I would do is I was on hazard light, so I have put on the right indicator. So I'm making sure that nobody is on the right side. So the car which was there in the front has left now. So you have to practice on the narrow roads so that you know what, so that you can, the steerings and all, you can drive very easily, and you can start operating it very easily. And especially on the narrow roads, it will be very easy that you can practice the reverse gear and for the steerings, and you will know how to turn for the left and right for the reversing. So these are the kind of roads, especially in and around your house. If you are in India, it's very easy for you. You get lot of narrow roads. You try to practice there, and you get more confident. So don't lose hope. Within just 15 to 20 days itself, we have seen people who lose hope by not driving. So just by driving and just by going to the driving school, you might lose hope that you would not be able to drive and all that. So don't do that. You would be able to drive. So within the first 21 days itself and all, it's not very easy to drive. If you don't know, if you have not have experience on the two-wheeler or bicycle, you would not be able to drive a car. Is a myth. So don't feel so. So you can drive. And the first thing is put on your seat belt, then practice regularly, then try to follow all the rules, especially the right indicator, left indicator and all. Even if you are turning in next to your house, also try to use the left indicator and right indicator. And when there is a blind spot, hidden spot and all that, use your horn. Use the horn like this. And so don't feel hope. So you can drive. Be confident. So drive regularly. So get a second-hand car. So that will definitely help. So these are the kind of roads I used to drive regularly, and that is how I got a practice on what it is. So the first car which I bought is a nano car, and which helped me a lot to go in and around Bangalore and in and around my house. So that is when I got a confident. And there are a lot of people who have a driving license, but they don't know how to drive because they don't have a proper practice. They didn't have a practice, but maybe they would have just gone and bought a car, but had gone for the driving school, but they have not bought a car. So what you can do is you have to get a second-hand car, a used car. So there are a lot of options in Bangalore and in India where you can get a second-hand car. So try the second-hand car, and if you're check out with your friends and colleagues whether they are going to buy a new car, and if they're planning to sell a old car, get it from them. And that is how you can start practicing. And I think you should be able to drive the car. So that is how you can see me driving the car now. And so the use of steering is very important, friends, because steering is what helps you go through left and right. So you will know, especially for the reverse and all, the steering is very helpful, so you know how to operate it. For the reverse, you should operate steering in a different way, and to the front it's in a different way. So in that way you will know how to operate steering. And especially if it's a narrow road and all, this operation of steering is completely different. So I have to turn right now, so I have I have to turn left now. So I am switching on the left indicator now. Here, so this is another road which is near my house, which helped me practicing car driving. So this is another kind of narrow road which you can find out somewhere near your house, so you can start practicing, and it will definitely give you a lot of confidence. And when you practice reverse and all in this road, so you can drive anywhere. The parking will be easier for you if you practice in such kind of road. So try to practice, guys, and use horn and left and right indicator. When in the beginning and all, you have to use horn nicely, so that you know what it is and you will get confident, and left and right indicator and all that. And my husband is waiting for me here, so I'll give the car to him. So I am back from office, so he is starting to office, because the narrow roads are here there is some construction happening on the narrow roads. So my husband is here, so I'll hand over the car to him now. And so start practicing, so you should be able to drive as much as possible. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.